Kofi Mensah was a good man. He lived in a small village where everybody knew each other. Kofi worked hard all his life. He had a small farm where he grew cocoa and plantains. He was happy with his simple life. Kofi was known for being generous. He always shared his food with people who needed it. He believed that people were good. He trusted easily. His best friend was Kwame, someone he'd known since they were little boys. Kwame was different from Kofi. He was always jealous of Kofi's success. He wanted Kofi's small farm, his simple house. He wanted it all for himself. As time went on, his jealousy grew stronger and stronger. It made his heart bitter. One day, Kwame came to Kofi with an idea. He suggested they put their land together. He talked about a big plan, a way to make them both rich. He promised Kofi an easy life. Kofi, always so trusting, believed his friend. He didn't think Kwame was trying to trick him. He agreed to the plan. They went to the village elder. Kofi, with innocent trust, signed the papers Kwame gave him. Kwame was tricky. He had fooled Kofi. The papers didn't put their lands together. They gave Kofi's land to Kwame. Kofi, believing in his friend too much, had given away everything he owned. Slowly, Kofi learned the truth. He noticed Kwame acting differently, treating the land like it was all his. He asked Kwame about it, his heart feeling heavy and scared. Kwame, feeling bold because of his trick, laughed and told Kofi what he had done. Kofi was heartbroken. His trust was broken. His heart ached with a pain he had never felt before. He had lost his friend, his land, his way of making a living. He left the village. He couldn't stand to see Kwame after what he did. Kofi walked for days, his heart heavy with sadness. He found a new village, smaller than his old one. The people were nice, welcoming him with open arms. He started to rebuild his life. He taught the villagers about farming. He helped them grow better crops. He found comfort with them. He realized that real wealth wasn't about land or things, but about having good people in your life. Back in his old village, Kwame wasn't happy with what he had taken. The villagers knew he had tricked Kofi, and they didn't want to be around him. He was alone, feeling bad about what he had done. He had gotten everything he thought he wanted, but he had nothing at all. Kofi, even though he had lost everything, had found something much more important: peace, a reason to live, and the strength of human kindness.